Europe faces record-breaking measles and whooping cough outbreaks in 2024. More than 298,000 pertussis cases reported in 53 countries. Measles cases exceed 127,000, highest in 27 years. Experts blame reduced vaccination awareness and misinformation for these soaring infection rates. Weaknesses in health services and disrupted immunization programs fuel the current crisis. Flemish region sees doubled whooping cough rates, reaching historical highs in 2024. 80% of measles cases among unvaccinated children aged 0 to 9 years.